This is a new 2015 Ford Explorer. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Kuhn Sterling Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 46869 Harry Byrd Highway, Sterling, Virginia.